because I will not walk.
So we decided to go some coffee, drink something, and then come back and maybe swim over there. There's some stairs. Yeah, it's so hot.
This is on the way to this park in between, maybe some shadow, you know?
Yeah.
You go?
Yeah.
It would be nice if here is some shadow now. But now the palms are
Yeah,
too small.
because the sun is straight above us, so it's midday. There is no shadow.
Almost, yeah.
There is no shadow.
Good that I have your t-shirt.
Yes, I know. I know.
I look like
Otherwise,
a freak, but it doesn't matter.
no. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah, this is a really nice forest.
Some green, yeah. Juice box. It's empty. It's a very nice way.
It's a spot, yeah, nice spot. It's more touristical than Larnaca. Or it looks like, you know, Larnaca is not that either, but here with the palms and green everywhere, they put some effort. And also, I believe, richer. You know, from there is a Larnaca richer city.
Well, I can change there too. You know, there is a path to the water there too, I think. Or it's very, very nice. Oh no. There is no way to the water in this. If you skateboard, this is a place for skateboarding, I believe. Everywhere in this pond they have the ground with strong wood. People are sitting on the grass, enjoying the shadow in this hut. Also, you can sit here and put your
Wow.
yeah.
Electric shock.
Huh? What? Do not enter in the water fun.
Wow.
Okay. So do not guys enter in the water. Electric shock risk.
I was already already
Yeah.
thinking about, you know?
So yeah, do not put your legs in the water if you don't want to get electroshock. Nice. Nice water are everywhere.
Otherwise this will be full of people, you know?
Yes, yes. Yeah, otherwise people would be just sitting and putting their feet in the water. Very clever, Limassol. Playground for the kids. Let's go from here.
We'll go the longer way.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a shark swimming. Somebody swimming. Nobody is swimming on these areas. I think maybe because it's forbidding or not so many people on the island yet because of the coronavirus, because it's very hot. Very beautiful, very clean. Somebody's snorkeling down here. Oh, he's fishing. He's fishing. We have the arrow. theater. Very nice. That's the stage. Very nice. Yes? Yeah, coming. I will come back from there. I will come back from there and then come back. Yes, yes, I will come there. There, we will stop there for a cold drink. I'll just finish this tour and then I will take a pause. Now we are going back. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Limassol in Cyprus. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I see you guys in the future videos. Adios.